is Larry Kaplan from MarineMax at Channel Club Marina in Monmouth Beach, New Jersey. This is our 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. This boat has an upgraded Mercury 200 V6 outboard engine, upgraded from the standard 150. Comes with the black canvas for a bimini, upgraded whole side color to black with a white bottom. Notice the 4 steps that they have for this long boarding ladder from when you make easy entering from the water. Also, this boat sits on a twin axle galvanized caravan trailer. As we enter the boat, please notice the standard ski pylon, large aft deck sun pad, beautiful dune interior with infinity woven dune flooring. This boat also has a pop-up backrest from the sun pad, so you could face aft while anchored in a cove. Instead of having that big bulky inboard-outboard engine below, you now have a very large finished storage area. Make life on the water a lot easier to carry those beach chairs or tubes or whatever you like that could fit. This boat comes with the standard dual bolster captain seats, nice L-shaped lounge, igloo cooler for keeping your beverages cold, your captain's helm seat, and your dash with tilt steering wheel, single throttle control, depth finder, fusion stereo, and your gauge package. On the port side, you have a glove box, as well as large storage compartment built under the port console. Please notice the deep depth, or the depth of the bow seating area with storage underneath, fusion stereo speakers, great layout. It's the largest boat in its class. Some of the nice features: very easy to read, low glare display. You've got your 12 volt and USB ports down near your cup holder for the captain. Beautifully updated, beautiful vinyl, lots of storage. Under the center line between the 2 helm seats, you have deep storage, holds your anchor light, as well as enough room to store your canvas or any other items that you may want to. Again, this is Larry Kaplan.